The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra specs seem to be mostly undisputed by leakers only a few weeks before launch. However, one common point of discussion is whether the upgrade in camera specs would be a net plus or bad for long-distance shooters. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has a 12MP 10x telephoto lens, while its successor is said to have a 50MP 5x lens. The issue is whether the increased megapixel count compensates for the decreased range. Now, Ice Universe, a leaker with a solid track record when it comes to all things Samsung, has joined in on the matter, claiming to have seen camera samples and insisting that this is, in fact, an enhancement. Many people are pessimistic about the quality of 10 shots produced by the S24 Ultra, and I was one of them until I noticed the comparison of samples he uploaded a few days ago on X. S24 use better than S23 U, all very promising, but that does seem a difficult square to circle with a follow-up post where the leaker adds that the 5X camera might need more time to optimize. But I want to point out that Samsung has not finished the camera software of S24 so far. The post reads, perhaps they are too busy. Maybe the new 5X camera needs more time to improve. But how can a phone without a 10x telephoto lens outperform a handset with one? The first is that, although the rumored new lens on the S24 is just 5x, it does feature a considerably greater megapixel count than the 10x lens on the S23 Ultra, 50MP versus 12MP. This more detail may simply enable the handset to trim a 5x zoomed picture with more clarity. Apple just used this technique with remarkable success on the telephoto-free iPhone 15. The existence of artificial intelligence, which Samsung is set to highlight with the S24 Ultra, is another option. Computational photography is already noticeable on several camera smartphones, including the S24 Ultra's Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is tuned for AI. Although invitations have not yet been delivered, it has long been rumored that Samsung would debut the S24 family during an event in San Jose on January 17. The outcomes here might be greater than ever. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.